Today, we will talk about how to make money through artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence has emerged as a transformative force, revolutionizing industries and reshaping the way we live and work. Beyond its technological marvel, artificial intelligence presents unprecedented opportunities for individuals and businesses to capitalize on its capabilities and generate revenue. In this video, we will explore various avenues through which one can make money through artificial intelligence, ranging from entrepreneurship to freelance opportunities and beyond. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. Write artificial intelligence articles. One lucrative way to make money with artificial intelligence is by writing articles on artificial intelligence-related topics. With artificial intelligence becoming increasingly popular, there is a growing demand for informative and engaging content. You can explore artificial intelligence applications, explain artificial intelligence concepts, or discuss artificial intelligence trends. Platforms such as Medium and LinkedIn provide opportunities to publish and monetize your artificial intelligence articles through ad revenue or sponsored content. In addition, you have the option to utilize artificial intelligence writing tools such as ChatGPT, Jasper, and others, which can aid you in producing high-quality articles. Leveraging these user-friendly artificial intelligence tools effectively will enhance your productivity and enable you to invest more in your business. Do freelance coding with AI. If you have coding skills, you can explore freelance opportunities in AI development. Many businesses and startups require artificial intelligence algorithms, chatbots, or data analysis solutions. Platforms like Freelancer or Toptal offer opportunities to find AI-related coding projects. By showcasing your AI expertise, you can secure freelance gigs and earn income by working on cutting-edge AI projects. Freelancing in artificial intelligence development also offers flexibility and autonomy. You have the freedom to choose the projects you want to work on, set your own schedule, and work remotely. This flexibility allows you to balance your workload and pursue other interests while earning income through engaging and intellectually stimulating projects. Create online courses with AI. Online learning has seen tremendous growth, and artificial intelligence can enhance the learning experience. By creating online courses that incorporate AI technologies, you can provide valuable educational content to learners. You can teach artificial intelligence concepts, demonstrate AI applications, or provide hands-on coding tutorials. Platforms like Udemy or Teachable allow you to sell and monetize your courses, providing a passive income stream. Invest in companies or funds that focus on AI. Another option to creating your own business is to invest in an artificial intelligence-focused company. Numerous AI firms are forming as a result of the popularity of AI, and they require capital to develop and expand. Investors may see positive returns over time as artificial intelligence technologies spread. These investments may also provide benefits of diversity that might lower risk. Before investing in artificial intelligence, make sure to conduct your research. Just because a business or product uses artificial intelligence doesn't guarantee that it will be profitable. Consider the business and product basics carefully. AI development and programming. One of the most direct ways to make money through artificial intelligence is by becoming an artificial intelligence developer or programmer. Proficiency in programming languages such as Python, R, and Java, coupled with a strong understanding of machine learning algorithms, positions individuals to create AI solutions for a wide range of applications. Developing artificial intelligence models for businesses, creating custom artificial intelligence software, or even building AI-powered apps can be lucrative ventures in this space. AI consultancy and training. As AI adoption grows, businesses seek guidance on integrating AI into their operations, offering consultancy services to help companies navigate the artificial intelligence landscape, understand its potential, and implement tailored solutions can be a lucrative business. Additionally, providing artificial intelligence training to individuals and corporate teams can be a valuable source of income, given the increasing demand for skilled artificial intelligence professionals. AI-driven product development. Entrepreneurs can identify market needs and develop AI-driven products to address those needs. This could range from creating AI-powered devices for the consumer market to developing specialized software solutions that leverage machine learning to enhance efficiency in specific industries. Successfully bringing innovative AI products to market can result in substantial financial returns. AI in healthcare. The healthcare industry is increasingly adopting AI for tasks such as diagnostics, personalized medicine, and drug discovery. Professionals with a background in healthcare and artificial intelligence can collaborate to develop solutions that improve patient outcomes, streamline processes, or enhance medical research. Creating AI-driven healthcare applications or services can lead to both financial success and societal impact. AI in finance. The financial sector has been an early adopter of AI, utilizing it for tasks like algorithmic trading, risk assessment, and fraud detection. Individuals with expertise in finance and artificial intelligence can develop algorithms or tools that cater to the specific needs of financial institutions. Creating AI-powered financial applications or services can open up opportunities for monetization. AI freelancing platforms. Several online platforms connect AI professionals with businesses seeking specific AI-related services. Freelancers can offer their skills in areas such as data analysis, machine learning model development, or AI consultancy on platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or TopTool. This provides a flexible way to monetize artificial intelligence expertise on a project-by-project basis. AI-enhanced e-commerce. E-commerce businesses can leverage artificial intelligence to enhance customer experiences, optimize pricing strategies, and streamline supply chain management. Entrepreneurs can create AI-driven tools or services that cater to the e-commerce sector, providing solutions for inventory management, recommendation systems, or customer service automation. AI in education. The education sector is adopting artificial intelligence for personalized learning experiences, student assessment, and administrative tasks. Entrepreneurs can develop artificial intelligence-based educational tools, such as intelligent tutoring systems or adaptive learning platforms. Monetizing these tools through licensing to educational institutions or direct sales can be a viable business model. What do you think about our video? Let me know in the comments section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.